What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another video. This is Eric Brent, EB Crypto, and my channel is called The Family Cash Machine, Follow the Money. And that's what we've been doing for the last 6-7 years, is following different economic trends, educating people financially on global economics and what's going on. And I'm so excited right now to share something with you guys that is going to impact so many different people's lives. And I want to share a story with you guys that happened to me over the last month. And what happened to me over the last month is I was approached by a good friend of mine. It's like 6 months ago. Miss Boomy Moore, they call her Boomy Moore. I call her Booming Boomy Moore because she's always been so motivational and inspirational. She's always been a person that always find the money. She's always made a lot of money. She's always been so professional and so, magnetic in her business. I call her Miss Booming Boomy Moore. But anyway, she tried to approach me a few months ago with some project, and I just kind of passed on it because my mind was somewhere else. And then recently, I saw something on her page that grabbed my attention on her Facebook page. And this goes to show you guys, continue to share things to people. Continue to share on your Facebook page. Continue to share on your Instagram, because you just never know the right timing that it grabs somebody's attention. It could be some aspect of that particular thing that they gravitate to. So she shared something on her Facebook, not with me, but just on her feed. And I saw it and I said, wow, this looks very, very, very intriguing. And so I called her. And when I called her, it was a company called IX Global that has merged with a company called the Debt Box. And I said, hey, Boomy, what is this thing here that you're doing? And she said, oh, hey, Eric. And this is not her voice. I'm trying my best to emulate her voice as best I can, okay? Be patient with me. So she said, hey, Eric, how are you? Oh, yes. What's going on, EB? You know, they call me EB. She said, hey, what's going on, EB? Yeah, I'm on my way to Punta Cana. The company has paid for my trip to Punta Cana, and I make like $26,000 a month. I said, what? You making $26,000 a month? And she's just beginning. She's just really getting it going. I was like, wow, for real? I said, are you going on a vacation, or is this like a company convention? She said, well, I'm going, it's company convention. I said, interesting, because I'm in Dominican Republic right now. And when are you going to be here? Because I have a home in Dominican as well as California. I go back and forth. And she said, for real? And so I just saw it as kind of like divine, order, or divine, it was like I was in line to the right thing at the right time. So they had this big convention here in Punta Cana. I actually met Joe Martinez, the CEO of IX Global. I actually met Travis Flattery, who's one of the main marketers. This guy made over $500,000 the first 3 months in this particular venture. And I said, you got my attention, right? And so I was able to meet Corey Cromwell, who's the CEO of Driven. I met all the key players, okay? So I was very, very, very impressed with their passion and the product. And let me share with you guys the product. I'm gonna start sharing my screen with you guys now so you can see what's going on. This is the very first time that crypto, the company here is the first ones to do it, and they actually were able to merge cryptocurrency with a real live commodity. So I'm gonna read this right quick. The Debt Box, it is an acronym that stands for the Decentralized Eco-Friendly Blockchain Technology Network of autonomous software nodes operators who together created the blockchain ecosystem here called DET, Decentralized Eco-Friendly Blockchain. And this is a digital currency. All these digital currencies are supported by real commodities. Wow. Through royalties from projects which are used and purchase tokens out of the ecosystem through the blockchain to add stability to the tangible revenues. Projects include agriculture, biocid, crude oil, gold, real estate, royalty cash flows, distribution channels, and natural gas, just to name a few, with more projects to be announced. When I saw this, I like to have went crazy because, again, remember what they're saying. This is a cryptocurrency or cryptocurrencies that are all backed and connected by a real commodity. The other thing that struck me was they sell nodes, licenses, that allows individuals to make a passive, everyday stream of income, connected to their phone, which is a digital wallet connected to the node, which directly pays into your wallet that's connected to your phone, which this wallet can actually be connected to any device, but you have the private keys. You own your own private keys like any other crypto wallet. Nobody can disrupt it. Nobody can take it. It is your wallet, and these coins are dripping every day in your wallet. And the first project that they did, listen, did over 120,000%. And I said, you got my attention, okay? I'm at this convention, I'm listening, and I'm watching all the stuff. I'm like, wow, you got my attention. So this is a real live crypto that you guys can own, not just own the crypto, but own the nodes. And if you guys don't know what nodes are, I'm gonna go a little bit into what a node is, and so you guys can be a little more educated on what that is in itself, okay? Now, here's a video you guys can watch called the Node Overview. You can watch this on how Travis did 500,000 in just 90 days. And you can watch, it's a 50-something minute video. You guys can see all the dynamics of what's going on and how this works, okay? But basically what a node is a piece of the blockchain, okay? There's a software, it's connected to your phone. You don't have to do anything. And it's a part of the validation and verification and confirmation of transactions. So by you being a node, not you yourself, but your software is connected to your phone, it's validating and confirming and verifying transactions. Okay, whenever you are on a cryptocurrency blockchain, whether it's Bitcoin or Ethereum, notice that there's fees. There has to be fees for transactions. So because there's no central software, there's no centralized server, there's no CEO, it's a network. So by it being a network, the income that this network generates has nowhere to go but back to the individuals that's a part of the network. Wow, that's called decentralization. So by you being an intricate part of this network, a node, again, you don't have to be a techie guy. All you gotta do is just download the node and it starts to pay you. It's just that simple. The first project did 120,000%. Wow. So I was quite interested. I'm like, oh my God, this is beautiful. This is very, very, very interesting because there's so many different cryptocurrencies out there now that have no value. And a lot of them just take the income or take funds from the public and never return. You hear a lot of coins that blow up. Some people make money, but then when it crashes, a lot of people lose money. Well, here's a crypto. They are cryptos that are connected to gold, to real estate, to natural gases. You guys heard what I just read. And so I'm like, oh my God, this is life-changing. This is something different. This is something that we can onboard a lot of new people to crypto who don't know anything about crypto, but they know every day their phone is paying them. And eventually they'll learn more about the different cryptos out there, but they can come into a solid company that has already done over $2 billion. And I'm going to go through some of the things right now that this company has accomplished so far. It has been an amazing ride. And like I said, their absolutely first project did over 120,000%. Now, here's the guys right here, the X-Node debt. You have Jason Anderson, who are brothers. I met those guys at the convention. Roy Nielsen and Shad Brannon. These guys really know what they're talking about as far as the technological part of cryptocurrency. And again, like I said, I'm going to read a disclosure here, a quick disclosure for you guys, because, you know, in cryptocurrency, if you guys don't know, it's a product. You have NFTs that are unregulated and they can be highly risky. They go up and down, they fluctuate. There may be no regulatory recourse. There's no regulators in crypto, which is one of the things I kind of like, for any loss or transactions. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence, your own research Past performance does not guarantee current performance. In other words, what another guy made, you might not make that, or you might make more. So there's different nodes, there's different coins, there's different projects all the time emerging. Okay, but this is a passive income opportunity. If you guys want to be a part of this, I'm going to leave a link underneath here. I always leave links under all my videos. You can always find a link under my videos. So grab that link to get more information, to find me, to be able to talk to me and find out how you can own one of these nodes and start making passive income. So let me start going a little deeper into this. Okay, so the decentralized eco-friendly blockchain have a lot of projects going right now. Okay, now here's what it is right here. Now they also have what is a node? Like I told you, what the node is. Okay, I'm having a little technical difficulty here. Just give me 1 minute here. Looking at the nodes here, a node is a license. Okay, they sell license, and this license will allow you to install this node, and then it starts running on your phone. Now you will have to pay a small hosting fee. It's like $5 a month or something, but you're generating coins, 12,000, 13,000, 15,000. It's different amounts of mining and different amounts of minting going on with different coins, but you're going to get a considerable amount of coins every month. These coins do fluctuate in value, but remember, they're all attached to a natural resource or some type of material commodity that has the ability to continue to increase in value. Okay, so we're looking here at let's see. Okay, I want to go up a little bit at the nodes. Okay, so I told you guys what a node is. Now we're going to go down and look further into the Black Gold project. This is the project that did, I think it was oil. This project did over 120,000%. Okay, could you imagine having $2,000 invested, $1,000, and $1,000 made you 100,000%? Wow. So they have a lot of projects going. They have over 50 million barrels in a reserve. Okay, in Nebraska, 400 million barrels of reserves in Nevada, and the future looks very bright as they have projects coming out of Ghana now and multiple Texas locations, and you'll see them on some of the videos if you watch this. Believe me, these cryptos are connected to a real commodity. This is really going down in a big way, and I'm so excited to be a part of this because I can help a lot of people not only get into crypto, which I've been about for years, but to help them to get into a position where they're making good money passively without even really understanding a lot that's going on. But I do advise you to do your own due diligence, like I said. But I'm going to be here to talk to you guys. Again, I'm always leaving links underneath all my videos. Look and go for under the text where it says see more. Go up under there. It's always links. I leave links for you to contact me. Okay, so Black Gold launched in 2021. It was the first, remember, commodity-based cryptocurrency. This is huge. This is huge. Okay, it did 120,000%. Wow. So again, they sell licenses. The licenses is the right to connect the node to your phone. This is amazing. This is amazing. I'm going to be doing more and more information about this that's going on. I'm going to show you guys one right now. The debt. We read that. Okay. So what this is? Look at all these different coins here. These are some of the coins they have now. These coins here. Some of them don't have nodes available. They sold out, but they're always coming up with new projects. Okay, there's always new projects surfacing and coming up. I want to show you guys a video right now, and you guys watch this video, and you'll see how they're actually finding some of these resources. And they're actually contracting the mining and getting rights, some of the rights to some of the things that's being found. Okay, I want you guys to watch this and see this.
Video. This is technology that we are bringing to the table that's never been done before. I've had this video since Africa. I texted the owners tonight and I said, let me ask you a question. Would it be okay if I shared this video? And I just got confirmation that they're okay with me sharing it. So I'm going to share something with you that has never been shared before publicly anywhere. And I think you guys are going to understand the fullness of this opportunity right here. If you had somebody that was on this presentation and they logged off, you might want to tell them to pop back on here real quickly, because I'm about to show you guys something pretty exciting. Oh no. Oh, there you are. Okay, I lost you. I thought I lost you guys. Okay, you guys excited for it? I'm pretty excited to share this with you. So we still have, a large majority of you guys are still on here. All right, hang on a second. I'm pulling it up now. So you guys know that we do 2D imaging that allows us to be able to scan the earth and identify pockets of gold and oil and other commodities. So this is the concession that I showed you that I was standing on, that we were at. This is hundreds of thousands of acres. We own this land. This is our land. And up to this point, our technology has allowed us to be able to do a 2D rendering of the land. And then we can, through the vibrations and the algorithms, we can identify where that commodity is. This is going to be kind of tying into some announcements that you're going to be hearing about next year. And that's all I can say about that. But I want you to see what we are bringing to the table in 2023. This is the first 3D imaging. All of that is gold. All of these gold lines that you're seeing are gold that is in the ground. But look at this. This is the first time this has ever been done. We now have the capability with technology to be able to bring to our companies 3D scans where they can now see underground and all around and everything that would be in their way from a drilling standpoint, and tell them exactly where their commodities are, exactly how much. So if you realize how much money that this can save them, and if you understand that, you'll understand why. I'm gonna play it one more time for you, because this is such a huge deal. Nobody in the world has this. And this is I can't even say more. I can just tell you guys that this is Explorer. So I'll play it one more time for you. If you understand the value of what this can bring, think this can be water, this can be gold, aluminum, helium, copper, silver. This is our concession. This is the scans that we've done of our land. What you see is gold. These hills are full of gold. And this is the first time in the world that 3D scanning has been able to be created. And this is in conjunction with some pretty cool announcements that you guys are going to be hearing moving forward. If you understand the value of this, you'll understand why we are projected to be $1 billion company next year, and why I'm excited about the value of what we're bringing, not only in the cryptocurrency space, but the physical counterpart, the physical side of our company is absolutely mind-boggling. So you guys saw that first. No one has seen that yet, and I just had a chance, got permission from the owner to be able to share that with you guys.
I'm giving up too much right now. Giving up too much. Hey, all I can say is you need to get in this company. You need to get you a node. You need to get in a crypto that is backed by something, because that's the future. That's the future where things are going. Digital assets, or digitizing assets, okay? Digitizing property rights, digitizing intellectual properties. This is the future, okay? So if you want to get into a real cryptocurrency and you don't know much about it, get into a crypto that has a real base backing of material. Now, you saw something interesting here. This is the first time this technology has been revealed to where they're showing the miners now, okay, where the gold is. You saw that. Just think if that was plutonium or uranium or iron or whatever, oil. They can now see where minerals are, which will save hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars, from just digging up and disrupting soil and going on dry runs and exhausting a lot of funds. They can go straight to it now. So this particular company has a coin called Explorer that's actually connected to that satellite. But again, this particular coin is connected to something. All the coins that they have are connected to something. I think I saw the coin right here, Explorer. This coin deals with the satellite stuff. See that symbol? The satellite. So that coin is going to have value. It has value. Right now, all these coins are on are on the Binance Smart Chain. And if you want to get one of these nodes, contact me. Get in touch with me so we can get you in this, because it's a lot to learn. There's a lot going on. They have projects for the next 10 years or so. And so once you own a node, that node is on the blockchain of Binance. Now, Binance, come on, one of the strongest, actually is the second biggest blockchain on the planet. So that's not going nowhere no time soon. And so these coins are what they call BPE or BEP20, which is on the Binance blockchain. They're not going nowhere. So if you own a node, nobody can disrupt it. The company goes out or whatever, you still own that node. It's running on your phone as long as those coins and those projects are continuing to go, as long as you have minerals in the ground, which we do, and as long as those are connected to a real material substance, you're good. You're good. You're good. And again, like I said, those nodes will be running on the blockchain. One thing about blockchain technology, it is immutable, meaning that once the coding is written and the coding is launched, you can't change the code. You can't stop the code. It's not a server that can be shut off. It's not running on a CEO company. It is a network upon networks upon networks where people upon people upon people are engaging in these networks. And as long as people have cell phones and computers, those networks are not going anywhere. So it's very, very interesting how technology is becoming more and more autonomous, automatic. But again, I'm excited. I'm not going to share too much right now, but you guys see what's going on. You see where this is going. And there's so many other stories I can tell. I can't cover it all in this one video, but this is what I'm doing now. I'm bringing people in to this powerful cryptocurrency or cryptocurrencies that are connected with a real mineral. And you have an opportunity to buy nodes, and they do sell micro nodes too, but I would rather you guys get a whole node because you're going to be making 100% of whatever that node in percentages represents. Okay, so it is very exciting what's going on right now. And I was on a certain exchange, I'm not going to say where, and I was watching every 2-3 minutes, you know, people cashing out. Because remember, as those coins are being airdropped into your wallet and you monitor it on your phone or your computer or whatever, you have the ability to swap those right away on PancakeSwap. You can swap those right away on any swap. I mean, you can cash those out for USD Tether, for Bitcoin, or whatever. And if anybody doesn't know anything about USD Tether, those coins are always $1. Always $1. They never fluctuate. That's the purpose of a Tether coin. So if you want to exchange, and that's what a lot of people are doing, they're exchanging those cryptos for the USD Tether, which is always $1, to lock in their profit, to lock in the amount of the USD value of each coin. So it's done in minutes. It's not even, it doesn't have rocket science to do. It's just to push a couple of buttons and that's it. But again, you guys, if you're interested in owning a license to own a node on your phone and make passive income, I have a link right up underneath here that you can click, that you can contact me and send me your email and we can talk and send me a few questions under this video or whatever. Or you can just, if not, put a couple questions under the video and send me your email. You can actually send me your email through the links that I always have a link underneath my video. Hey, that's about it for today. I'm going to go more into detail. I'll be covering these videos more and more. I'll be going more and more into details as they have more and more projects popping up. The potential here is astronomical of what the people can do with this. And again, I would rather you guys come into a cryptocurrency company like this than to go to some of these scam companies or some of these meme companies or meme coins that have no real value other than the hype that they give it on the media. But when the hype is gone, then the value's gone. But when you have a crypto that's connected to something of real value, whole different ball game. So with that, I'm going to sign out. You guys like and subscribe to my channel. And again, if you guys want to get more notifications as I put out more information about these cryptocurrencies with the debt nodes and how to get a debt node then you guys hit that bell so more individuals can get notified when I talk about this, and you can get notified when it's more information coming out. But as of right now, again, find the link underneath here. I always leave a link under all my videos for you to be able to send me your information, your email. Therefore, I can get you more information or possibly get you a node. Get you a node. That's what it's about now. Get you a license to own your own node on your own phone or computer or wherever you want to put it, so you can start having this passive income stream coming in. Wow. So with that, I'll sign out. This is EB Crypto, Family Cash Machine. Follow the money. Peace.